Here are the do's and don'ts of hot weather outfits. Yo, what's good, gang? Today I'm gonna go over some of the do's and don'ts of summer styling. Now, if you anything like me, you absolutely hate the heat. Like I'm talking about, if someone asks you, would you rather be stranded in the desert or the snow? You gonna pick the snow just so you can get fly. But in all seriousness, it's been like 80 to 90 degrees for the past week, and I just been sitting here coming up with different ways to dress while it's hot as outside. So first, I'm gonna tell y'all what not to do, and really this is more like a suggestion. You can do whatever you want. You don't gotta listen to me. Now the first one that we got is tight bottoms. Now I don't say this because baggy pants are more of a trend now. I say this mostly because of the compression and the fact that your skin ends up basically carrying the weight of the material. I also don't see hardly any skinny pants that are made of any real lightweight materials. They're typically made of like a denim / cotton or leather or something like that, which can feel very hot and hold in a lot of heat, especially when you're moving around. So to combat that, simply just wear looser fitting pants or shorts. Like I have a ton of shorts right now that I just recently got that literally just fit looser, and they can be made out of like a cotton or a leather, but it serves a completely different purpose with that one small change. Now next up I got don't be afraid to layer. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. One of the main components of why we like fall winter so much is because you can layer. I think the reason that we're afraid to do that is because it's typically seen as a way to make your outfit warmer, but you can definitely layer in the summer. You just got to use lighter pieces. I'll give you a few examples. You got mesh. Now this is one of the most overlooked pieces when it comes to summer. Though you can wear it as is over your skin, you can also add it on top of other items like t-shirts, tanks, etc. A huge plus to these as well is it doesn't really matter if these are long sleeve or short sleeve. There's so many holes in it that it doesn't make much of a difference on your skin. You also got button-up shirts. The ability to open up a shirt creates the opportunity to expose another layer beneath it. So under this, you can combine all the same methods we talked about in the mesh category, or you can just keep it simple with like a tank top or something. But you see the different types of depths that you can add with shirts and layer your outfits. When you don't layer, it just looks plain. Like just a t-shirt and shorts, it's like you can do it, but like, you know what I'm saying, it just looks basic. We not into looking basic over here, so wrong channel for that. Next up, don't mix the same proportions. Now obviously there are exceptions to this rule, but pretty much all this means is have balance in your outfit. For whatever reason, people don't think about proportions as much when it comes to summer outfits. They just throw on a combination of two short length items, which can be saved, but you should try to balance your proportions out the same way you would with a warmer fit. So what this can look like is small top, big pants or shorts, or big top, short shorts. And then lastly, you just want to put all of this together with the right shoes. But you can see how this can easily balance an outfit and look a little bit less plain. It looks more like you tried to do something, or you have clothes that fit better. Moving on, don't forget about accessories. I think we all see this coming when it comes to summer outfit videos, but this is an instant automatic when it comes to dressing in hot weather. Accessories tend to be the easiest addition to an outfit because it single-handedly has the ability to increase the completion look of an outfit. Like in all seriousness, you ever seen an outfit without jewelry and accessories compared to one that does have it? It's a huge difference. While we're on the topic, I'm gonna show y'all a few of the new jewelry and accessories that I got for these summer outfits. So huge shout out to Apparel Jewelry for sponsoring the video. They sent me some crazy pieces. I want to start off with these halo round cut moissanite stud earrings. I've been looking for a hot little minute for a good stud earring, and this one definitely checked off all the boxes for me. Very, very simple, sterling silver and moissanite, so these hit. I also got this X iced skull ring, which is crazy, bro. Like this is very punk rock star type vibes, and it just gonna blend easily with the rest of my rings, so had to grab that. Next up, I got these fleur de lis stud earrings, and honestly I just grabbed these because I thought it could possibly go with some chrome heart stuff that I had, so I pulled the trigger on these. Then I got this Wong Dragon pearl and bead adjustable bracelet, and honestly I think it's a really cool concept to have adjustable bracelets. I think I had one a while ago and it was made of string and it broke, so this one being made out of metal definitely makes a huge difference, and I'll probably wear it 10 times more often than I wore the other ones. Lastly, from the Aparo stuff, I got this AA number 2 bracelet, which is extremely hard, bruh. And honestly, I was blown away by the mechanics of the clasp on this one. But if you know a lot of bracelets that are made like this, usually the clasps aren't that good, and this one is phenomenal. Lastly, with the accessories, I just wanted to again tell y'all that the Bat Rosary necklace is out now, and it is running low on stock. So if you haven't grabbed it yet, make sure you grab that. We gonna get back into the video. Now, the last tip on the list is don't wear hot materials. This one is strictly for the days where it's really hot outside. In certain instances, you can get away with different materials, but I ain't gonna lie, if it gets over like 80, it's just certain things that I'm not wearing, bro. So I would try to stay away from really thick materials that don't really have any breathability, like heavy cottons. These are gonna be like your super thick layered cottons. You have higher ounces when it comes to t-shirts. I guess pants in that same category as well. Leather is gonna be another one that provides you absolutely zero breathability. Like whatever heat is generating off of your body, this is gonna get trapped in that leather, and then you gonna sweat, and then you gonna get sticky, and then it's all downhill from there. Then lastly, you got wool, which we all know is one of those fall winter materials, and there really isn't much summer items even made out of wool, but if you were thinking about wearing something wool, you probably should second guess it. So instead of those materials, you should try things like thin cottons, mesh, linen, certain polyester combos, as long as it's not like anything super cheap or anything like that. And then you have nylon. So all of those are gonna be very common things that you see in garments that are made specifically for spring, summer. Now, with that being said, if you guys are ever in need of any outfit inspiration for the summer, make sure you go and you check out my Instagram. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. It got like some of the most fire outfits you'll ever see on that app. But in all seriousness, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go down, smash the like button, subscribe if you are new, and I'll be back to you guys more, man. Peace.